everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Kawaii Room Labubu, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. While there's no official website currently visible or verified, some Reddit users have shared their experiences with Kawaii Room, especially regarding their Labubu collectibles. According to Reddit, the store was honest in stating their Labubu figures are not authentic, but made in the likeness of official Pop Mart figures. That means these are replicas, not genuinely collectibles, and they do not come with the Pop Mart verification codes. Users report that while the figures look decent for display, they are not suitable for serious collectors looking for authenticity or resale value. There are no test pilot reviews, no official social media presence, and limited user or buyer feedback online. Major red flags for anyone considering a purchase. Now, for the final verdict, Kawaii Room does not appear to be a scam, but it's also not a seller of authentic Labubu figures. If you're just looking for a cute display piece and are okay with a replica, it might be worth a try. But if you want a real deal from Pop Mart, this isn't it. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.